church logo here. The name of the church is Power Arena International Ministry, so I have the name here. Then I'll check for center alignment. It is aligned. I'll go back to text again. I'll type to join us. So I will expand the font size to 33.1. Go to advanced settings. Go to latest spacing and change it to 326. I'll take it off. It is center aligned already. We'll go back to text again. Type Sunday service. We'll come to this here. We'll change the fonts to 116. We'll change the font. Reduce the line spacing. Take it up. We'll align it to the center. We'll go to elements. As I've used it, I'll just go to recently used. I'll scroll down. This is what I'm looking for. Calendar. I'll click on it. Bring it down here. Change the color to white. I'll go to text here. I'll click T. Type Sunday 14th. You can use any date of your choice. 6. We'll bring it down. We'll change the font size to 30.8. 30.8. We'll go to advanced settings. Line spacing, we'll reduce it to 1.16. I will now place it here. Then we need to this one to the left so that it will align. Bring it here. We'll go to element again. We'll pick the clock time icon. It's here. We'll change the color to white. So that will duplicate this. Or I'll press T for text. 10 AM W A T. Now the same size, same format. Bring it here. This one a little bit. Check the distance 5. It's 14. Oh, 55. We'll go back to element again. We'll click on square. Change the color to white. Reduce it. We'll corner it to 62. Expand it. Then raise it up a little. We look for location icon. This location icon. Bring it down. Twist the color, some part of the color a little. We press Ctrl T for the address of the church. So I've typed it out already, so I just needed to import it to copy and paste it. That's the address of the church. We'll go to fonts. From here, we'll keep it on medium. We'll align it to the center so that it will be moderate in the eye. We'll go back to text again. Type follow us. Follow us. Bring it down here. We'll go back to element again. Pick Facebook. Reduce it. Yeah. Just need to go to position. Keep it at 40.8. We'll bring it down here. Sorry, we'll go to element again. We'll go for Instagram. Also change the size 40.8. We'll change the color to white. Sorry, it's a little. This is 40.8. Okay, we'll align them together so that they'll be of the same line and height. Go back to text again. Type Power Arena as the social media handle. We'll wrap it here. Close it a little bit. We'll go over to element again. We'll pick phone, the phone icon. We'll change the color to white. Bring it down. Go to position to reduce it to 40.8 so it will be at the same size with others. Okay, this is it. We'll click here, duplicate this text to put our number. After I've set our numbers, now shift it. I want it to be a distance of 5. Okay, I also want this one to be a distance of 5. All right, we now have 5 distances each. We'll duplicate this. We'll bring it here. It will write here should be for inquiries. For inquiries. We'll expand to view the text. Correct the spelling. For inquiries. Okay, we're good to go. We'll shift it a little bit. We'll now go back to element again. We'll now look for white glass glow shape. White glass glow shape. White glass glow shape. We'll click on it to appear here. We'll expand it a little bit. Expand it a little. Go to position, center align it. We'll go to transparency and reduce it to 57. Reduce it to 57. Reduce it to 57. I want to move these shapes up so we can. I want to move it up. Okay, no, let me not move it up. Let me just leave it here. The signs are covering. The glass shape is covering some of our icons, so we'll just bring the glass shape down here. So what we need to just come here, click here, click here, click here. I like all of them. Then send it up a little, and that's our final design.